Hi guys, welcome to week 2 of the Microbit challenge. This week I'm going to show you how to make a compass out of your Microbit.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Microbit website and click New Project. And then you want to give your project a name, so I'm going to call mine Compass because that's what we're making. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to click Create. And then it'll come up with this screen here. So you're going to grab your forever loop, this, which is here, and a loop is a programming structure that repeats a sequence of instructions until a specific condition is met. So our specific condition here is that it does not stop. Okay, so next we are going to go into variables and click Make Variable, and I'm going to call it degrees. Click OK. And then we want to drag set degrees to 0 here, but we're going to change that, and we're going to change it to compass heading because we want the degrees to change whichever way we're pointing our microbit, which will become our compass. So there we are. Next I'm going to go on to logic and grab this if true then else loop. And then I'm going to go back onto logic, and because we want to compare, I'm going to grab this one here. So this variable here, we want it to say degrees is less than this heading. So we're going to put 45 degrees to start with. So this little symbol here, you will have met it in maths maybe, but I'm just to show something is more than, less than or equal to in computing, and it's the same as it is in maths. And this whole block here that is highlighted is a variable. And a variable is used to store information that can be referred to and manipulated in a computer program. So it sets a condition for what we need to do. So if degrees, which is our compass heading, is less than 45, we want it to say north. So we're going to go and grab the show string and change that from hello to north. We'll just do that by just putting an N on there. You don't need to write anything. I'm going to click the plus again, so we get this little square here again. So we're going to go back into logic, grab a comparison, the same one as before, and then we're going to go and grab our degrees again. Put that in there, and then this time we're going to change it to 135. And we want that to say west. Now in the original Microbit program, this would say east, but personally when you have it on your Microbit, I feel it makes more sense this way. And then we're going to click the plus again, so we end up with this square. And we are just going to keep repeating this until we get to the end. We need to show one more string, and we're going to set it to north. This is so that if none of these statements or variables are applicable, it will show north on our Microbit and compass. So now we've done that, we are going to click download, and then you can put it onto your Microbit. So now that your code has downloaded, your Microbit should be doing this. And this just means that we need to calibrate it like so it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick it up, it's going to fill all of the little squares, all the little lights. This one corner is a bit tricky. And now it is calibrated. So now you can see it's saying east, so if we tip it this way, it should go north, east, south, west.
So that's the end of week 2. You should now have a compass out of your Microbit and know what a variable and a loop is. See you next week.